In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a search page. What is a search page? Well, if you look at my website and you look at this top level item called Homes for Sale in Bennington, and I click on it, it's going to narrow down the criteria of the homes that I see in the search. So how do I create a page like this? And what other ways could I use a page like this? Maybe you would like to add your sold homes at the top. Maybe a page called View My Solds. Or perhaps there's another area of town that you specialize in, or a specific property type. Maybe you want to have a villa search. You can add those yourself on your page. Another example of a search page are a lot of the pages underneath Buy. For instance, if I went to New Listings Search, this will take me to all of the new listings. This is a predetermined search page. So how do I create them? Log into MPD Office, go to Website Admin, and click Customize My Site. Once you're here, this is the managing menu for your whole website. At the top is where we create new pages. So the first thing we need to create is the page name. So perhaps I'm going to do a villa search. I'm then going to choose the template of a search page. This is a video showing how to do a search page on your site. And then I need to choose its location. If I want it to be at the top where I showed you where that Bennington Homes search was, that's called a top level item. If I wanted it to be in the drop down underneath Buy, I would select Buy and then it would become number 1.12. I can select any location on my page for this to go. In this case, maybe I will add it to Buy. Once I've chosen the name for the page, the type of page, and where it should live, I'm going to click Add Page. This takes me to the advanced search. Here's where I can narrow down the criteria of the homes that will populate when they click on that villa search. So in this case, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to leave it on residential. I'm not going to change which company's listings are showing. I'm going to leave it as active. And then under property subtype, I'm going to pick villa or patio home. Now, if you had more criteria that you wished to create here, you could change the price range. You could come down to the location and just select Omaha or just Bellevue, maybe Gretna. You could do more than one of those. Maybe you want it to be in a specific school district. You could select that here. The other option you have is to create a search by polygon. So if there's a certain section of town that you want to focus on, you could select that here. I would probably rename your page to be something like West Omaha Villas if you're going to do West or something like that. But you do have that option. But if I just narrow down by type, I have 88 properties that are included in that search. So now I'm going to click Save. Now that page is created. I have the ability now to go to the front end of my website, click the refresh button up next to the URL or the web address. Once I've done the refresh, when I hover over Buy, you'll see down here I now have the villa search. When I click on villa search, it will take me to those 88 properties.